too. Where's your pink one? Oh, it's right there.
He's halfway under the bed. Oh my god. Where's the pink one?
It's where your balls are.
Oh my god, shut up. That sounds messed up. Where your balls are? He's half under the bed and half under.
We're gonna put it right?
Ow.
Yeah, where else would this go? Hunter, yeah.
Ow! She's pawing me. Go get it, Hunter. I don't know where it went. Oh, it's right there. You just put your head in front of the camera. Sorry. Get it in his mouth. Your victory! Hunter, follow me, guys! Hunter, right here! Hunter, look! Right here! Get him, get him. Right there! Oh, thank you. Oh! Oh my god, so underneath this pee-pee.
What the hell? I can't believe you just said that. Only 1 minute.
I don't like him.
What?
Just start to record again.
No.
Throwing it! Look, watch, he'll throw it. Just wait. Hunter, look. Oh, move your big head. That's his paw, right? Stop it!
We'll call this dog going crazy over toy. Dog going crazy over toy animal. Toy
It's
side.
dark under here. We need a light.
Where's your pink one? No! Oh my god. Hold up. This big butt can't even get out of the bed. Mine? No, Hunter.
He got it. Nope. Hunter, get it! Go get it! Did he turn it off? That little turd turned it off.
Oh my god.
Hunter.
Body bag.
Hunter, get it!
He might swallow it.
He won't swallow. He's terrified of it, Bethany.
No.
Ouch.
Then my brace would be cool. Where's your pink one? Is it like under your bed or something, baby?
No, it's in my hand.
Oh.
Oh.
Put it on the ground then. Check it on the bed.
Okay, enough of torturing him. Bye. Come on, stop.
Play with this.
Stupid computer. Or thingamabob. It's not stopping. Oh, the screen's locked. How in the world did the screen lock?
Look at him. He's staring.
How am I supposed to stop this if the screen is locked?